Welcome to this 10-minute cardio workout for beginners. This is perfect for burning fat, boosting energy, and improving fitness right from the comfort of your home. Ready to kickstart your weight loss journey? This 10-minute fat-burning cardio workout is perfect for beginners and can be done right at home, no equipment needed. With simple moves like jumping jacks, squats, and high knees, you'll torch calories while improving your fitness. Perfect for those looking for a quick and effective way to stay active. Let's start with a quick 1-minute warm-up to prepare your body for this fat-burning cardio workout. Follow along. Warming up by marching in place is beneficial because it effectively raises your heart rate, warms up your lower body muscles like the quads and hip flexors, improves circulation, and prepares your body for more intense movement by increasing your body temperature. Warming up with side steps combined with shoulder rolls offers benefits like improved mobility in your hips and shoulders, increased flexibility in the upper body, reduced muscle tension. Warming up with light jogging provides several benefits including increased blood flow to muscles, improved flexibility, reduced risk of injury, better muscle activation, gradual elevation of heart rate, allowing your body to transition smoothly into more intense exercise. Jumping jacks provide a full-body workout by engaging the arms, legs, core, shoulders, and glutes while also improving coordination, agility, and balance. This cardio exercise boosts cardiovascular health, increases blood flow, and helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Additionally, jumping jacks support bone health, aid in calorie burning for weight loss, and enhance mood by promoting endorphin release. Bodyweight squats strengthen the lower body by targeting the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while also engaging the core for stability. They improve mobility and flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, reducing the risk of injuries. As a functional exercise, they enhance daily movement patterns like sitting and standing while also helping with weight loss by burning calories. Plus, they require no equipment. High knees activate your quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and hip flexors, helping improve muscular endurance, balance, and coordination in these muscles. When done at a high intensity and with bounding or explosive knee drives, they can also improve power in your lower body. Additionally, this exercise boosts cardiovascular fitness by increasing heart rate and promoting better circulation. High knees also enhance agility and speed. Skater steps improve agility, balance, and coordination while engaging the glutes, quadriceps, and core. They also enhance speed, burn calories, and boost cardio. Welcome again, hope you are enjoying our exercises, and use this time to hydrate and rest. This 10-minute cardio workout for beginners is perfect for burning fat, boosting energy, and improving fitness right from the comfort of your home. Now we'll repeat our second round for 8-minute fat-burning cardio session. Each move is beginner-friendly. Jumping jacks enhance cardiovascular endurance, improve overall agility, and boost muscular coordination. They engage multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, and shoulders, making them an effective full-body workout. This exercise also supports bone health. Bodyweight squats enhance lower body strength, improve joint flexibility, and boost mobility. They activate multiple muscle groups, including the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging. High knees enhance lower body endurance, strengthen core stability, and improve hip mobility. They elevate heart rate quickly, making them a great cardio workout for fat burning and cardiovascular health. This exercise also boosts speed and agility. Skater steps enhance lateral movement, improving side-to-side agility and strengthening stabilizing muscles in the hips and ankles. This exercise also helps develop explosive power in the legs, making it great for sports that require quick directional changes. Additionally, skater steps engage the core to improve posture and spinal stability. The forward fold stretch is an excellent post-workout stretch, especially after exercises like skater steps, high knees, bodyweight squats, and jumping jacks. It helps release tension in the lower back, hamstrings, and calves, promoting flexibility and reducing muscle stiffness. This stretch also improves blood circulation, aids in post-workout recovery, and encourages relaxation by calming the nervous system. Side stretches are a great addition to your post-workout routine, especially after exercises like skater steps, high knees, bodyweight squats, and jumping jacks. They help lengthen the obliques, intercostal muscles, and spine, improving flexibility and posture. These stretches also relieve tension in the lower back and ribcage, making it easier to breathe deeply and recover faster. Additionally, side stretches enhance core mobility, which can improve overall movement efficiency and reduce the risk of strains. Shoulder roll stretch is an excellent way to release tension and stiffness in the shoulders, neck, and upper back, especially after high-impact exercises. This stretch improves shoulder mobility and flexibility, helping to prevent injuries and enhance posture. Deep breathing enhances oxygen intake, improving lung capacity and overall respiratory efficiency. It helps reduce stress and anxiety by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation. This practice also lowers heart rate and blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. You crushed it! Repeat this workout daily and pair it with a balanced diet for the best results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner cardio workouts and weight loss tips.